Sons of Anarchy, Season 3, Episode 4. Was it 4? I think it was 4. Gemma getting a heart attack or whatever heart situation is happening right when she's told where the baby is. That's crazy. I mean, come on. That's a little too crazy. That's a little too much. That's too much. I'm hoping she makes it so they know where the baby is before he's sold off. Which is pretty effed up, but we'll see. New episode starting now. Is Jax gonna have sex with his sister? Is Jax going to have sex with his sister? They keep hinting at that. Is it just me? They keep hinting at that. We'll see. Just finished season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. It was crazy. It was a crazy ride. I was like, oh my god, is he gonna sleep with his sister? And he almost did, but he didn't. And now we know more about Gemma and Clay, which we kind of saw that at the beginning. So it was coming, a long time coming. The guys are about to get out of jail. Season 4 has started. There's new stabbings on Jackson. You know, the kids have been born. Let's see if those letters make it to Jax or not. Part of me is like, yeah, he should know. But the other part of me is like, oh, that's his family, you know.